Happy morning, children. Welcome back. This is your English online class for Standard 5. Now open your course book. Let's see some grammar. We begin with adverbs of frequency, which is in page number 129. Open your course book to page number 129. This we have seen in our live online class, children. So just we'll revise quickly, okay? What is adverb of frequency? Look at the screen. An adverb of frequency describes how often an action happens. Adverbs of frequency or adverbs of time that answers the question how frequently or how often. They tell us how often something happens. How often it rains? Very rarely. You remember we discussed these points. How often the bus number 17 comes to this bus stop? Um, Once in an hour, right? How often will you meet your friend? Every day. All these are adverbs of frequency. Okay. How often will you visit temple? Sometimes. Or you could even say rarely. Or you could say I never visit temple. Or you could say I usually visit temple on Fridays. So all these words are adverbs of frequency. These words are all adverbs of frequency. Yearly, biannually, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, every minute, every second. There are so many. I've given here some. These are all not in your textbook. Just given some extra. Okay. Can you see these highlighted words in yellow color? All these are in your textbook. Okay. Let's see the sentences. They often go out for dinner. I never go to cinema. I don't like it. My master sometimes go mad. Sam likes dancing. He always goes to his friend's place to practice dance. Jim and Tim usually quarrel. I rarely see them in good terms with each other. Earthquakes frequently hit Japan. He hardly ever smiles. See, children, without these adverbs of frequency, let us read the sentence. They go out for dinner. It makes sense. It is sensible. But this adverb of frequency gives you information how often, when. Okay, for the question when and how often, you will get the answer if you are going to use adverbs of frequency. See here, I go to cinema. But it doesn't make sense. If you're going to remove this never, I go to cinema is okay. If someone asks, when do you go to cinema, then you have to use this adverb of frequency and your reply should be, I never go to cinema, without adding this sentence. Okay. My master go, my master goes mad actually. When? Oh my god, your master goes mad. When? And you'll reply sometimes. So that is adverbs of frequency. Is that clear? Remember these 2 points, children. To do this exercise, you must know these 2 points. If you know these 2 points, you will easily score mark on this. See, when there is a full verb, main verb in the sentence, you have to use adverb of frequency before that. If there is auxiliary verb, you remember all the auxiliary verbs: am, is, are, was, were, will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, has, have, had, do, did, does. Yes, remember? Yeah, they are all auxiliary verbs. Or else also you could call them as be verbs or helping verbs. If you have auxiliary verbs, you have to use adverb of frequency after that. Okay. So now 2 points are very important, as I told you. Look at the screen. Yeah. Number one, we place adverbs before full verbs. This is number one. As I told you, if you have full verbs, main verb, before that only you have to use adverb of frequency. Let's see some examples for that. Look here. Flamingos always fly to warm places in winter. Okay, this is the sentence. In case if the question is like this, flamingos fly to warm places in winter. I'm not adding always. You have to insert always. Where will you insert always? Always is adverb of frequency. So now you have to check which is the main verb in this. Which is the main verb in the sentence? Verb means action words. All doing words are called verbs. Now check. Yeah, here. This is the verb. So just before the verb, you have to insert this. Flamingos always fly to warm places in winter. Clear? Next, he usually plays football in the evenings. See, the main verb here is plays, right? So just before that, we have added adverb of frequency, which is usually. Next one. They sometimes buy ice cream on their way back from school, which is the main verb in this buy. Just before that, we have added adverb of frequency. So children, keep this in mind. You have to check whether there is main verb in the sentence or auxiliary verb in the sentence. Okay. If you have main verb like this, you have to add adverb of frequency before that. Now, these three examples are with auxiliary verbs. Young Abdul was eager to learn more. Can you see? You have an auxiliary verb here, was. So, when you have auxiliary verb, you have to insert adverb of frequency after that, like this. Always. Young Abdul was always eager to learn more. Next, in this sentence, you check out which is adverb of which is auxiliary verb. Where is the auxiliary verb here? He had traveled out of Rameshwaram. Yeah, you have had. So after that, we have used rarely, which is adverb of frequency. We should skip our classes if this is the question. We should skip our classes. Where will you insert? Yeah, should is the auxiliary verb, and after that we have inserted one adverb of frequency. We should never skip our classes. Now let's do this exercise. This is in page number 130 in your course book. Put the adverbs in the correct places. We have discussed this in our live class, children. We are revising. Okay. Put the adverbs in the correct places. One has been done for you. The sun rises in the east. The bracket word given here is always. Okay. So now you're going to insert always. Always is the adverb of frequency. All these bracket words are adverbs of frequency. Just sentences are given. You're going to insert this in correct place. If you know all these things, it will be easy for you to do your exam. Okay. See, the sun rises in the east. So do you have main verb or auxiliary verb in this sentence? Check properly. You have rises, which is the main verb. So if you have main verb, just before that only you have to insert always. So the sentence goes like this. The sun always rises in the east. Okay. Next, number 2. The question is, it is wet and cold in hills in the east. The adverb of frequency given here is often. Right? So now check what do you have in this sentence. Do you have main verb or auxiliary verb? Yeah, you have just auxiliary verb. When you have auxiliary verb, you have to insert after that. It is often wet and cold in hills in the east. Next question goes like this. Chimpanzees are very clever. Right? Can you see here on the screen, or you can look into your book also, no problem. Chimpanzees are very clever. So now you have to check what is the verb you have in that sentence. You have an auxiliary verb. Chimpanzees are. So after that you have inserted usually. Clear? Chimpanzees are usually very clever. Next one. Cranes and storks stand on one leg. So now you have to check. Yes, you have stand, which is a main verb. So when you have main verb, before that you have to insert adverb of frequency. So you have added often here. Can you see? Yes. Next. Next question is tigers attack people. Yes, of course, you have one main verb. So before that you have added rarely. Tigers rarely attack people. Now the next exercise is also in the same page 130. You have an exercise like this. What are you supposed to do here is look at these sentences below, write new true sentences usual using any of these adverbs. You can use any one of these adverbs. It should be practical. That is why it is given here as look at the sentences below, write new true sentences. It should be true, applicable. Okay, one has been done for you. For example, first one is done. It's warm in summers, right? It's warm in summers. Can anyone say no? Yes, it's always warm in summers. So, the adverb of frequency which we have used here is usually. It is usually warm in summers. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see the other sentences. Now, the next one in your textbook is we lock our house when we go out. So you are going to insert one adverb of frequency. So whenever we go out, we always lock. So automatically we see when we speak, when we say that sentence, the word always, we are using the word always. So here lock is a main verb. Just before that, we have inserted always. Okay. In live class, you all asked this. Can I add this, ma'am? Can I add this adverb instead of this adverb? Can I use this? Can I use that? Yes, you can do that. The only thing is, it should be applicable to the sentence. See, can you say like this? Instead of adding always, can you insert hardly ever? We hardly ever lock our house when we go out, or we rarely lock our houses when we go. Will that suit that place? No. Okay, that's the point. So keep that in mind. It should be meaningful. That's what I'm trying to say. It should be meaningful. It should suit the place, right? Because suitable answer, you will have some 2 3 suitable answers. So use that. Don't use the adverb of frequency which is not relevant to the sentence. That is the only point. Okay. Now, next question is chilies are sweet. So we all know chilies are not sweet, right? So we have used the adverb of frequency never. So here you have auxiliary verb and after that we have inserted never. Chilies are never sweet. You cannot say chilies never are sweet. That is wrong. Yeah. Next, it rains in monsoon. Of course, it is true fact. So it always rains in monsoon. Rains is a main verb. So before that we have inserted always. I drink hot chocolate. It's a very personal sentence. Okay. I drink hot chocolate. So for this kind of question, it's your choice of using adverb of frequency. Okay. I often drink hot chocolate is my answer. Okay, because drink is the main verb. Just before that, I have inserted often. Is that clear? So now what do you do is just I have inserted often. If you want to insert something else also, you can insert. You could say, I never drink hot chocolate. I usually drink hot chocolate or something like that. Okay. My grandmother forgets names, right? So now I am inserting adverb of frequency here is often. My grandmother often forgets names. If you want to insert something else depending upon your stuff, you can do that. Okay. Now the next one, uh, my friend. My friend adds tomato sauce to her meal. I have inserted sometimes. The main verb here is adds And so before that, I have inserted the adverb of frequency sometimes. My friend sometimes adds some tomato sauce to her meal. If you want to say never, if you want to say hardly ever, anything, any kind of adverb you can use here because this is your personal sentence, right? Okay. I have never been to Tibet. Tibet is a region in China. Many of you asked, what is Tibet? What is Tibet? Tibet is a place in China. Okay. Now, I have never been to Tibet. The question in your textbook is, I have been to Tibet, is it not? So now I have inserted never. Do you always, if you do you want to use always here? I have always been to Tibet. Always, when will you use always is like locking the door. Okay. If the work is going to happen like locking the door, going in and out often, very quickly, usually, then you could use that. So you cannot use always here. So as I told you, you can use your own adverb of frequency, but it should suit the sentence. It should be reasonable. It should be meaningful. Okay. It's like I'll tell you something like this. I go to America. I go to America. Once in a year is fine. Can you say, I always go to America? No, you cannot say that. It won't suit the place. That's the meaning. Okay. Here the meaning is, I have never been to Tibet is not even once I have visited Tibet. All right. Next, I come to school by bus is a sentence. I have given seldom. Seldom means very, very rarely. If you want to say, I always come to school by bus, that means every day you are using the school bus. I never come to school by bus means you have not even used school bus once. So this is your choice. Is that clear? So here the main verb is come. We have used seldom here. Next, Sumit comes to school on time is the question. So considering Sumit as a good boy, I have given always. Sumit always comes to school. Comes is the main verb, so I have inserted adverb of frequency always. I think Sumit must be a good boy. Okay, so I have used always. If you think Sumit is not so good, you could even say Sumit never comes to school on time. Okay, okay. Now let's see this exercise, children. Check whether adverb of frequency is used in correct place in the following sentences. This is going to be your quiz pattern. In the examination, you will get questions like this in quiz, so that you have to check out the correct answer. Yes or no, you have to mark. So this is only possible here. Okay. Now the question is like this. I am giving you two sentences or one sentence, whatever. We never see them. This is one full sentence with adverb of frequency. Now you have to check whether adverb of frequency is placed, is inserted, is written in correct place. Okay. Now see, we never see them. This is the main verb. See is the main verb. Be attentive, children. Listen carefully. See is the main verb. Just before that, the adverb of frequency is inserted in this sentence. So this is correct. So you have to tick or mark this sentence is correct. So you have to write yes. Clear? You have to click this in your examination. Next, we see never them. This is wrong. Clear? See is a main verb. After that, you have inserted adverb of frequency. So this is wrong. So you have to mark this. No. Clear? Yes. Next. John frequently is late. John is frequently late. Check you have one adverb, you have auxiliary verb in this sentence. Is. Can you see is here? When you have auxiliary verb is, you have to insert adverb of frequency after that. Can you see here? Yeah, this is only correct. So yes for this and no for this. Next, we go hardly ever shopping on weekdays. We hardly ever go shopping on weekdays. Check for the verb. You have one main verb in this, go. Here you have go. When you have main verb, you have to insert adverb of frequency before that. Look here. So this is only correct. Yes. And this is no. This is one pattern. Just a pattern of exercise for you to understand. And this is how your quiz question going to be. Go through the video class, children, so that you will understand better. Some 2-3 times if you watch in a silent calm place, you will understand the topic very easily. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.